Guys, I was gifted this pool heater from the seller so I could show you how to install it and all its cool features. Now, it is made for a pool up to 10,000 gallons, and it is 220 volts. So this is what it looks like when you receive it, and I'm gonna open the package and show you what it looks like inside. All right, I just took off all the boxing. This is the instruction manual that comes with, and in here got some base pieces and the inlet and outlet couplers. Let's take a look at the back side. So, and the electronics panel is right there. So, okay, I'm gonna put it up on the concrete and we're gonna start plumbing it in and wiring it in. All right, guys, so I put the hot water heater exactly where I wanted it. I marked it out with a marker, and now I'm drilling the holes and put the anchors in. We're gonna start off with these Y pipes. And what we want to do is we want to direct the water from the filter down in here. And then I did flexible tubing here. So I seen another video where they use like hard tube. But what my goal is to use this flexible tube. So then in the wintertime, I can just easily unhook it from the heater and then get the water out of it, so then it doesn't freeze in the winter time. And since I'm going to anchor the heater down, I don't want to be moving that around, so I'm going to get this flexible pipe. It's 1.5 inch, and I'll do that from because we have to put some of these ball valves in, so I'll have it coming out like this and then going into the heater. So just watch and see how I do it. So I'm going to start with putting the Y part in. So it'll come in from the filter and then go to the heater. And then this part will be like a little, just a straight pipe, and it'll have this ball valve in it. So then if you ever wanted to not like bypass the heater, you could turn off the ball valves going to the heater and open this one on the top. So you'll see what I'm doing here in a minute. All right, we got all my flexible tubing all glued in. I'm gonna let all this dry. Okay guys, this is my starting temperature here. We're looking at about 61 degrees or so. I'm about ready to fire the heater and the pool pump up. and we'll see how much this thing increases my temp here in the pool. All right, guys, so I got this all wired up here. The black and the white are your hot leads, and then green goes over to ground. And now I'm going to put on the cover and we'll turn her on. And I got the sub panel all finished up here. All right, we just turned this thing on for the first time. I set it to 85 degrees. It's, well, you can see it's 59 degrees on that water. So I'm going to let it run for a few hours and let's see how much it warms up my pool. All right, we got the temperature up to 72 degrees so far. Okay, so I got it fully installed here. Got it bolted down to the concrete. I'll give you kind of a 360 view of it. Like I was telling you, I did use those flexible pipes right here. I do have a small leak, I know that. I'm gonna fix that with some stuff that I just bought. I feel like this is a whole lot of weight on this connection, so I'm gonna leave this piece of wood in there just kind of to brace it up and keep it all level. I do have a chlorinator that I wired in after the water goes through the pool heater. Okay guys, I wanted to show you how easy this was. In the Smart Life app, you just click add device, you find the heat pump, and you click done. Now, it's going to add it to all the other devices that you have. It added it to all my devices. Right here, you can remotely set your temperature. I have it set at 86. I started at 59, and now I'm at 73. The heat pump does take a little bit to warm up your pool. It's not like a gas heater where, you know, it gets hot overnight, but this is a lot more energy efficient than a gas heater would be. Now, if you want to hit right here, now you can show what mode you're in. Now, this heat pump is cool because it'll also cool your pool down. So, if it gets really hot in the summertime and you want to cool your pool down, you just click on the cool mode. So, that's pretty cool. And then, click query. And now this is kind of neat because it'll tell you the inlet water temperature, the outlet water temperature, the ambient temperature, the coil temperature. Look at all those stats that it gives you. So it does shut down too if your water pressure goes down, like say your pool pump goes off. This pool pump, the pool heater will also shut off, so it doesn't keep running and burn it up. So this thing is pretty cool. So there you have it. I showed you how easy this pool pump is to install and to use the app. It has very quiet operation at only 50 decibels. The specifications for this heat pump is 33.3 inches by 14.5 inches by 27.9 inches. It is 107 pounds. It does use 240 volts and 12 amps to run it. It is recommended for home pools. So if you guys want to heat up your pool like I do, go ahead and get this one. You're going to love it. Thanks. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you'd like to buy this product, I have the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link. That helps me out a lot. Thank you.